Hi, this is Paul from Salmon Mobiles, and this is Kitty Cat Slots. So this is a free app in the App Store. It's well worth going to download. The idea of it is you're playing the slot machines. You start off at 25 a spin, and you build it up as you go on and on and on. And obviously you get more lines that you can win in, lines that you can win on, and obviously you get bigger wins. In this video, I do get the jackpot, so watch out for that. It's the way to get the jackpot is there's a collar that goes around the cat's neck, which sits on a pillow at the bottom of the screen. You'll see that in a minute. And the way to do it is, as the diamond's spinning, every time you get a diamond, it goes to one diamond on the chain, and you've got to get 5 diamonds to get the jackpot, which I did get, which I was pretty much chuffed about, as I was filming myself doing it at the same time, which yeah, so there's a bit of a bonus. And obviously there is feature levels on this as well. Basically you get like this, it's like a checkered board, and then you pick out 3 matching things, and that's what you get. You get like 3 spins, and obviously your 3 spins gets you money, and you're not using your own money. Yeah, so it's a brilliant game. It's well worth going to download. As I said, it's free in the App Store, so it's well worth going to download. If you look on the right hand side now, you can see like 5 spins. So the idea of that is basically every time you get a win in a row, it puts a little green square on it, and obviously the more you get, the more wins you get in a row, the more you can carry on. As you can see, I'm using my gems to sort of carry on to see if I can get another win, which is okay, but obviously there is in-app purchases as well, so if you want to buy coins or you want to buy more gems, you can do if you want to. It's up to you. Basically, if you add it on Facebook, you can get a daily pick as well, so you can pick like winning coins and stuff like that, so you can add it on Facebook if you want as well, which is brilliant. Okay, so this is the rest of my gameplay. I hope you like it. Please thumbs up the video, and if you're not already, subscribe button's in the left hand corner. So yeah, well worth going to download, especially as it's free. Thanks for watching, and here it is.